Bloom Energy stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1 minute video with BE. Honestly, first glance, yesterday this thing just delivered very nicely with 23% gains. If I zoom out, I just want to see the higher time frame idea that I have here. Yeah, beforehand I was so bullish on this. Like, let me show you the proof real quick. Bro, I'm talking a video made in November, right? 8 months back that I was bullish on. I was like, if I see a double break, I'm looking to take it up. And guess what happened there? Well, exactly that. And that's that here. And unironically, like, the only thing that I'm looking to do is just double down on this bullish market. Not in a way where I'm just going to randomly buy, but now, do you know like how I'm looking at this now? I'm just praying I see a little pull downs and then a double break so I can take it up. But out of that, like randomly buying, it's just not going to be happening. So that's BE. Boom. Confirmation. All I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules to be met. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.